this Mareva injunction. Now this Mareva injunction, it is a temporary remedy, okay, and it was like created by English court. That is the history of this particular Mareva injunction. It was like in the case like Mareva Componia and International Bulk Carrier. So in that case, this particular 1980 case, this Mareva injunction came. That is like this particular order is like a related, that precedent is this particular, okay. Now this order, if you see, this is like when it is passed actually. So what happens that suppose you have filed a case against the particular infringer, right? So what are the chances in that particular situation that the defendant probably will try to dispose of or remove assets from that jurisdiction? Just try to understand. So what will happen, suppose you have a filed case against, it is suppose a patent case is there and you are claiming X amount and you want to kind of take a remedy. Your remedy expectation is that you will like take back that compensation from that particular defendant. That is your final aim to file that particular case. Now what are the chances when you will file that case? This defendant, knowing that okay there are chances, what will happen? They will try to dispose of assets. They will try to kind of from that jurisdiction. So they will maybe transfer that assets to some other's name, and then just like in many times, I should not say that thing, but in family courts this happens because alimony and then all calculations come into the picture. Na? So similarly here, I just giving you example so you will immediately appreciate, because we are very much like aware about that tangible properties and the matters which are day to day we are observing. Intellectual property little bit we are not that much exposure, or that much cases are not there. So I'm just trying to give you the analogy. So similarly here the chances are like that the defendant will try to kind of dispose of property. So what will happen? They will like say that we don't have money and so we cannot compensate that particular, that one like a argument they can put into the court. So to avoid that particular like scenario, this particular injunction is very important.